one finger wins. Quick, to the point, and oh so satisfying. There's plenty of one finger wins throughout the day, and we figured, why shouldn't stapling be one of them?
Hi, my name is Jessica, and I would like to talk to you about the Plus Paper Clinch. It is a staple-free stapler. It comes in a variety of colors and 2 different sizes. The small one can do up to 5 sheets of paper. The larger one can do up to 10. I have them in my home office and I use them all the time. I'm going to demo it for you real quick, and then I'll tell you about all of its amazing features. So it can do 5 pieces of paper. I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get them all nice and tidy. And then Plus has designed it so there's a little arrow that guides you on right where the paper goes. So it's a no-brainer. Slide it right in there, all the way to the edge, and you squeeze it. You can see how easy it is. I squeezed it with one hand. Open it up. And then you can see it folds it. There's a handy little fold that happens inside this mechanism to keep your paper together. Watch, it's all together. Look at that, really strong. And it's flat, so you can file them in and they're not gonna snag on each other, just like staples. They're really flat, only they're better than staples because you don't need staples. Now you don't need to go buy staples, that saves you money, and you don't need to spend time trying to remove staples so that you can recycle paper. So they're environmentally friendly and big time savers. So I would definitely recommend this product 100%. I love the pink one, so I would recommend the pink one. But go get yourself both of them, the 5 paper clinch and the 10 paper clinch. Thank you.